How to create option product on UCX. Log in on your seller account and click Products on Application menu. Click Create button to create a new product. Set type, option. Set status, active. Set product name. Select product category. Select order type. Click the Save button. Click the tab, Options. Click the Create button. There are two available product options, question and variable. Select question to list options on a drop-down menu. Name the question. Set sequence. Check mandatory if at least one item must be selected. Check multi-select to allow selection of multiple items. Click Save to activate Options section. Click on the Add Item label. Set the option name. Set the option label. Set the sequence and the price. Click the Add button and repeat the same steps for any additional option. Click the Save button and navigate back to the product creation page. To create variable option, from the Options tab, click the Create button. Select the option type, variable. Set the option name. Set sequence. Check optional settings. Set the variable label. Set the price per amount. Set the minimum amount. Set the maximum amount. Set the hops for a click. Click the Save button to save the product option. Navigate back to product creation page and click the Preview button to see the product from buyer perspective. Like expected, question option appears as drop-down with items and multi-select possibility. The variable option changes on click and price gets affected correctly.